This is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another frozen one. It's from PLN Food Company Limited. And this is their cold udon noodles. So this is going to be kind of like a Hayashi Chuka or Hayashi udon. So let's give it a try. So what I need is 100 mils of water. That should be easy enough. I highly recommend one of these. This is a baby formula bottle. Graduated amounts in very small amounts, which makes things easy. And one. There's 100. So we'll take that. Put that in here. We got that. Now we're going to put the noodles in the pot over here, and these don't take long at all. Noodles. And while those get started, I'm going to make the soup base. So you take one of these frozen sachets of base, just cut the corner and drop it into this liquid and stir it up. So pretty easy to do. There's that. The noodles are actually, I think, pretty close to done already. So that's nice. Whip this up a little bit. Tastes like a Hayashi Chuka to me. Hayashi either. Same kind of flavor. Here's our quote from Momofuku Ando Speaks, a book of quotes by the inventor of instant noodles. Number 70. Beating a price is a man's work. Making it cheaper is not the purpose. It is the process of bargaining which is amusing. Okay. How are we doing, noodles? Are we just about there? So this will be a cold noodle. They mentioned soaking the noodles in a bath of cold water and ice. I don't have that, but the water here is really cold, so I'll just drain it and rinse it under cold water. Alright. So that's done. What am I doing? It's Friday. I shouldn't be this confused by Friday. And there we are. Yeah, I've done that a couple times before. I've went to go and make some kind of cold noodle and I just drain it and I forget to actually rinse it with cold water or anything. And it's really infuriating, especially when I only have one pack. Luckily with these you get 2 servings, so that's a plus. Yeah, let's give this a try. One thing about when you have noodles and they're cold, they have a different like chew to them. That'll be cool. Here we go. That's more like it. So there was that. Now, what am I going to add to this? Usually you'd add like cucumber and some other stuff. I got some spring onion. What am I doing? Here we go. One and two. Come on, hang out. You want to be right there. You like it there. What else do I got? I've got spring onion and that. I thought I had something else to add. Ah, yes, I do. So I got this big special commemorative noodle kit from another company, and it came with bonito flakes, and I was thinking like that would work perfectly on this. So I am going to add some of those. Rather, some of these. Bonito is it's fish. Add a bunch of bonito flakes. Just like that. And I think a little bit of sesame seed, and that should do it. But yeah, they're ridiculously noisy, folks. We just finished the last day of the week of distance learning. So they are done for the week doing their tablet school. You know, like a little pepper flake on everything. Alright. Let's make it happen. Alright. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And I hope you enjoy. And yeah, I'll come up with another one for you to see. Have a good one. Bye.